Hey, how's it going everyone? So today we're unboxing a percussion massage gun. It's from a company called Pro-Life. As you can see, it comes in this nice medium teal color. It's pretty nice looking, real simple. It's called the Soar FX Active Recovery Sonic X. So at the time of purchase, there was a $15 off coupon, so this came to right around $200 mark. About $199 plus tax. As you can see, this box is pretty nice. It's pretty nice and healthy. Here's on the side profile, grow some wings. And here we go on the back. And as you see, it comes with 4 interchangeable massage heads. It's the round, the bullet, the flat, and the spinal. And this is kind of what it helps do, kind of a deep penetration muscle relief. And it's supposed to have a very quiet brushless motor, so it shouldn't be too loud. And the vibration adjustable levels of 5 different levels, and the battery should last about 3 hours. So it does come in this nice carrying case, which is always a nice bonus to have a nice carrying case, right? And here we go, the nice zipper, nice rubber zippers. It'll be nice if the interior has a nice teal color. Let's see. I'm thinking it'll be black though. Yep, it's black. But if it had a teal color interior, that would really pop. But as you can see, here's the unit itself. Let's go ahead and take out the unit here. It has this nice little pull cord here. Oh wow! Now you could tell this is very nice quality. Look at that. It's like a nice soft touch rubber. This here is a nice soft touch. I think they call it TPU, maybe? I'm not sure. But this one is definitely more tactile, tacky, versus this side, which is more smooth. And of course, here's the do not touch. Long press for power on and off. Please tear this off before usage. Oh, but it's such a pretty nice looking sticker. Oh, it's even nicer underneath. Look at that. Ho ho ho. That's a nice purplish color. So I'll go ahead and take out the sticker. It's pretty nice. I do like the silver, but man, this purple really pops. And it's a nice soft touch. And here's probably where the screws are, and they hide the screws, so that's a nice touch. Underneath is the power to charge it. And it does say charge it about 6 hours before usage. I'm not going to do that so that you can see it on video. So here's mine, your hand. So yeah, be careful. Push. So I think you just push it in. Make sure it's seated. Long press. Ooh. Yeah, and see. So the battery is almost full. And this is on a setting of 1 out of 5. See, it's 2, 3, 4, and max of 5. Okay, and that turns it off. So as you can see, this is very nicely made. There's no factory defects. Everything's nice and centered. Yeah, everything's nice and centered. And as you see, it comes with this one here is the spinal. And here's the flat bottom. And they call this one the bullet. And this one here has kind of a corky-ish feel, a little softer. I think this is more what you would use most of the time. And it comes with a nice charging brick. Even the brick is nice. Even that looks kind of nice too, huh? So I gotta say, having a nice carrying case is a very awesome add-on. It has the foam padding, and of course the instructions right here. And that's about it. You can see this is very nice quality. Here, let's put it back in so you can see the nice teal. I'll pop this out. Okay. Put that there. Put this right here. And close it. There you go. I'll zip it up. And there's the Pro Life logo. And here's the box. And again, this is the Sonic X Active Recovery Percussion Massage Gun. And if you have any questions, here's the information here. And that's it. So make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I could do a video of me using this on someone. I'm not really sure if I have time to actually do it. But if you want to see a video of that, let me know and leave a comment below. And I will try to get that posted up as soon as I can. And again, if you have any questions or comments, leave it below. And I would leave the link to the product in the description. So if you have any questions or if you want to read more details on that, just pop in the description below. Or actually, yeah, below. And that's it. All right, I'll leave it there.